How to create an email account in cPanel. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Go to the Email section and click the Email Accounts. In this Email Accounts interface, click the +Create button. Click the drop-down list and select the domain on which you want to create the email account. If you have only one domain on your account, this setting won't appear. Enter a username for your new email account. You can either set a password by password setting link sent to your email or set a password now. The default setting is Set Password Now. Let's set the password now. You can enter a password manually in the password input box or generate it automatically. To generate the password automatically, click the Generate button. Then copy and save the generated password. Then click the Edit Settings button. Scroll down. You can click the Options button Unlimited and remove any storage limit for the email account. To set the storage space for the email account, you can enter the digits here and also select the unit memory through this drop-down list. To create folders automatically, leave the default selection. You can click to check this box if you want to create another email account after this one. Now click the Create button. That's it. The newly created email account is listed here. You can check your emails and manage them from here. Thank you for watching.